You want donuts too?
Donut, donut, donut.
I'll have the apple. Is that the one you want?
Okay. Yep.
How were those donuts?
Good.
Did you finish it? The whole thing?
Yep.
What'd you get?
Cinnamon roll.
You got some energy for some walking now?
Uh-huh.
You guys found a storefront that interests you?
So far today, what did we do first thing when we got to Santa Barbara?
We walked around
Donuts.
and donuts.
What flavor did you get?
I got chocolate with chocolate sprinkles.
Yes, her go-to flavor.
I got cinnamon roll.
A very good first stop. And then we walked around for a few hours.
Yeah.
Where did we go?
We went to the
Courthouse.
courthouse. We went up lots of stairs.
We saw the clock.
We saw the clock. When we got all the way to the top, we could see lots of things.
Yes, there was an overlook area at the top of the clock tower, and you could see all the way around. It's very cool.
That way's more. That way's east. East.
Is there an ocean out there?
Court. Yeah, there's an ocean out there.
How much did it cost to go up in the clock tower?
Nothing. It was free, which is good because lunch is not free.
Hey Mackenzie, are you hungry?
Yes. Really hungry. My tummy is empty.
Very. Ooh, that looks good. Thank you.
I got chips, salsa, and with red sauce. I'm not supposed to have with red sauce, but I got it with red sauce. And cheese.
Got grilled
And
With avocado?
Yep. And salsa. You got sandwiches. Alright. Oh.
Are you much happier now?
Maybe.
Restore in me the joy of my salvation. Restore in me the joy of my salvation, and renew a right spirit in this doubting heart of mine. Renew a right spirit in this doubting heart of mine.
It looks like you're enjoying it.
I need another one.
How was it? You haven't even finished.
What? So rude.
Andrew, that is not a nice thing to say to your mother.
You have brown hair. No. That's
Oh, I
where
like
we
this
at.
song. This is my ringtone on my
And
phone.
After lunch, we're gonna go to No, we're not. No, we're not. We're gonna go to Yogurtland. No one said that.
Look, this is the pier.
That's Prisoners
Harbor.
Harbor. We hiked
That's where
up.
wait, no, wait. This is where the boat landed. Then we walked up this brown line to about, till about here.
Yeah. What?
That's as far as we went. What are you guys looking at?
Anaconda.